These soft, flavorful muffins are perfect for a nutritious breakfast, a healthy snack, or even a light dessert. With carrots and oats, they strike a great balance between natural sweetness and health benefits. Nutritional benefits. Oats, rich in soluble fiber, oats help regulate cholesterol and support healthy digestion. Carrots, packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A, antioxidants, and natural sweetness. Nuts, optional, a good source of healthy fats and protein. Natural sweeteners, honey or maple syrup, provide a refined sugar-free option. Ingredients, makes about 12 muffins. 1½ cups rolled oats, ground into flour if desired. 3/4 cup whole wheat flour or almond flour. 2 medium carrots, grated. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup melted coconut oil or vegetable oil. 1/2 cup milk or plant-based alternative. 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, optional. A handful of chopped nuts or raisins, optional. A pinch of salt. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a muffin tin by greasing it or lining it with paper liners. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the oats, whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. 3. Prepare wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, coconut oil, and honey until smooth. Add the milk and mix well. 4. Add the carrots. Stir the grated carrots into the wet mixture until evenly distributed. 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Add the nuts or raisins if desired. 6. Fill the muffin tin. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. 7. Bake. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. 8. Cool. Let the muffins cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips for a healthier twist. Gluten-free option, use almond flour and certified gluten-free oats. Lower sugar, replace some honey or maple syrup with a mashed ripe banana. Protein boost, add a scoop of unflavored or vanilla protein powder. Serving suggestions. Enjoy these muffins as a balanced snack or breakfast with a dollop of plain yogurt or a glass of milk. Store them in an airtight container for up to 4 days, or freeze for longer storage. Happy baking!